Amorphous solids, those solids in which the structural units, i.e. atoms, ions or molecules, are fixed in their positions but are not regularly arranged. Anisotropy: it is the variation of a certain physical property with direction. Atomic absorption spectrum: when a beam of white light is passed through the vapors or spectrum of gas, the element absorbs certain wavelengths while the rest of wavelengths are passed through it. The spectrum of this radiation is called atomic absorption spectrum. The missing wavelengths appear as dark lines in the spectrum. Atomic emission spectrum: it is the spectrum formed by the elements or their compounds when they are heated in a flame. The spectrum consists of a series of bright lines with a dark background. Auf-Bau Principle: the electrons should be filled in energy sublevels in order of increasing energy values. The electrons are first placed in 1s, then 2s, and 2p and so on. Average rate of reaction: the rate of reaction between two specific time intervals is called average rate of reaction. Avogadro's law: equal volumes of all ideal gases at same temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Avogadro's number: Avogadro's number is the number of atoms, molecules or ions in 1 gram atom of an element, 1 gram mole of a compound or 1 gram ion of an ionic substance. Azimuthal quantum number: the quantum number that defines the shape of the orbital of an electron. Absolute zero: the temperature of -273.16 degrees Celsius at which the volume of a gas theoretically becomes zero is called absolute zero. It is taken as zero on the actual yield. Actual yield is the amount of the products actually obtained in a chemical reaction. Atomic radius: if an atom is assumed to be spherical, then the atomic size means the average distance between the nucleus of the atom and its outermost shell. This distance is called atomic radius and it cannot be measured precisely.